Good morning, I'm Bob Rosenbaum. I'm with My Florida Dreams. Today I'm at 989 Ybor East. Home is situated on a cul-de-sac right next to the walking trails. A little bit about Vanities. It's a resort community, 55 plus. Has a lot of amenities, 3 pool houses, hot tub, sauna, all kinds of tennis, bocce ball, pickleball. We're on the Curry Creek, so we can kayak and canoe right out to the Gulf. This home is a 1979 43 footer. I'm in the kitchen. Gene is our video man today. This home features updated appliances. It's got tile floors and laminates. Just a very pretty, bright home to enjoy Venice. We have 252 days of sunshine. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's show you this home. The owner is a bread baker, so I could just smell that. Featured is a nice open living room. This home is going to be sold unfurnished. So all the possessions will be moving to a new home here in the park. So bring your clothes, bring your furniture, and make this one yours. As we come down, we're in the hallway. Have a nice utility closet. First room we'll show is the guest bathroom. Got a tub shower. Again, it's got tile floors. Standing in the guest bedroom, features full size. You could put a full size, twins, even a queen size for your guests. It's got a walk-in closet. Again, it will be sold unfurnished. This room has laminate on the floors. Coming out, we'll go into the guest bedroom. Some couple details. It's got some crown molding, custom details around the doors. You don't see in all the homes here. And we'll take a look at the master. And we'll show you also the bathroom. Home has fans and lights in all the rooms, which is nice this time of the year. It's a little bit cooler. Open the windows up, turn on the fans. It's just gorgeous. So coming back out, probably one of my favorite features on this house is the Lanai. This could be a 4-season room, plenty of sunshine in the mornings. We're facing east and south. Just a lovely time to spend the morning, the afternoons. Pull up the screens. They just got new screens and plastic on the windows. They've done some modifications to some of the outlets. I'm Bob Rosenbaum with My Florida Dreams. Give me a call on 989 Ybor 207-479-5130. Have a great day.